Eras Vital, heilende Kraft der Natur.
We will clearly show the rate of saturation of water with useful substances when using pieces of mushroom and crushed mushroom. We steep and look at the results of staining after 30 minutes, 1 hour and after 2 hours of infusion. The water should darken, and this will mean that all the active substances of the fungus have been extracted. As you can see, the crushed chaga mushroom saturates the water faster, all because in the crushed state surface contact with water occurs more intensively. By purchasing crushed chaga mushroom of company Eras Vital, you can be sure that it doesn't contain any additional substances. All our chaga products are pure birch mushroom. It is difficult to grind chaga on your own. Such an occupation is very dusty and time-consuming. We grind large pieces of mushroom from Siberia in industrial machines so that you can easily and quickly brew chaga mushroom tea and not waste time chopping pieces. If you want to learn more about traditional recipes for cooking chaga mushroom, look for a link in a free ebook in the description of the video.